How to fix PC monitor turns off after few minutes randomly on your Windows 11. Hello everyone and let's get started. So there are two basic ways by which you can fix this issue. For the first one, click on the search bar and type in edit power plan. Once you do so, you can open the power plan from the control panel. Now from this balance settings, change the turn off display into never. Do the same for the put the computer to sleep also into never and then click on save changes. This way you can fix the problem. However, if this is still not solving the issue, the next one would be uninstalling your display adapter or the driver. For that, open the device manager. Click on the search bar and search for device manager. Once the device manager is open, click on display adapter, right click on your driver and click on uninstall device. So these were the two ways to fix the problem. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.